All right, seems like quite a lot of domestic tourists from different parts of Indonesia around, and the taxi drivers honking and looking at me. It's so hard actually to focus today, but as I promised you, I'm gonna show you the other part of Kuta, which is Discovery area. There's so many restaurants, bars here, and also Discovery shopping mall. So everything on today's video is actually very hard to focus. So much people honking, this driver here, this. Okay, let's go. It's actually feels like old Kuta, you know, as you cannot even think peacefully for 5 seconds without distraction of something. So I could say as Kuta is back, at least during the holidays of Muslim holidays, what is right now, right?
Yeah, and then, you know, when we park a car, you know, in the car park over there, almost full the cars, but you know, I can see from registration plate it's not coming from Bali. So what I can say then, during these holidays, many people are, I think, choose to stay in Kuta, maybe because of cheaper price, right?
All right, as you saw at the bureau when we were talking, that's the situation here with the bars. Let's focus more into direction of Kuta Square today. Water is open and is busy, and still people coming in even it's closing time. That's actually cool. There is some restaurant called Swarung Dhamma. Some people here on the top, and it's actually not that bad. People strolling here and there. And restaurant actually also have some people inside. So happy to see that. And also at the front, you can hear that taxi drivers and ATM center. Oh yes, that's what I was thinking. Actually, ATM center. Some ATMs are gone, but still ATMs are here. And also the hotel here, I think it was Garden. That was Garden Hotel something?
Oh, this one is Bali Garden Hotel. I think that they make a renovation on the lobby. And wow, look at nice. And I think that some people just staying there, you see?
Yeah, seems like some changes for good. That's gonna look better, I think. Yeah, hotel seems like open. Okay, let's focus on the restaurants now. Baba Gram Shrimp Company is open. Not busy yet, but open. But basically, if you ask me what time is it, it's after sunset time. And also here is the sports bar. People watching some sports. And there are some people that's happy to see that, obviously.
So, yeah, this sport bar, I think that many people watching the sports
Very
show.
good, huh? Very good indeed. And let's go. Oh, there's even traffic jam. Happy days. Magic trick guy. And there is also one temple by Ginger Moon. Oh, that's the Ginger Moon in Seminyak. The same, they open something new here. And then it's empty, I don't know why. But it's empty, but look nice. And here we go. Oh, that's the cool electric scooter, by the way. And it's traffic jam situation. I nearly miss traffic jams in this part of particular Kuta here, because usually I think they're going to beach walk anyway. And yeah, that's how does it look like. And also at the front I can see the bus bar. This is Happy Bus with beer. And they just enjoy.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Happy days, enjoy.
If you see like, you know, people enjoying the time on the bus while drinking, it's supposed to be already in Kuta. If there is no like that, so it means it's not Kuta yet. You will not find it in Canggu
And
or in
traffic.
Sanur.
And traffic jam also as the bonus.
Yeah,
but
so
the
like
buses, yeah, only in Kuta and Legian, yeah?
Beer buses.
Beer buses. And also in Holland, in Amsterdam, they also drive in. Also Dolce Vita Italian restaurant, not that bad, already some people. And even the souvenir store here is open with all of the ole stuff.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Oh, and you can have a hair like this one, just in case you feel. This is also Kuta style. So yeah, and money changer. Be careful with this money changers, by the way, like this one. But that's only my advice. Tour operators. And yeah, and over some restaurants, many restaurants actually here, or they were always here, but they are open now, and sometimes they have even customers, so happy days. However, the traffic jam is bigger than the crowd on the streets, but it's not bad at all. And regarding the traffic situation, I'm pretty sure as those people going to beach walk. because Kuta beach walk is always crowded nowadays. And it's the first time after pandemic as I see this street crowded, because I still remember during pandemic when nobody was here. That was actually pretty sad times, but now it's open, pretty busy, at least on the streets, cars driving. And let's see the big restaurants right now. And of course, another big characteristic of Kuta, especially this part of Kuta, they are bars with the sports bars like this one. You have so many TVs on every single corner, and those bars are actually the most busy today. That must be so important footy match. I don't know if they call it footy in Australia or something like that. You can have a bucket of Singaraja for 99 plus tax. Not bad at all, sir. Not bad.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go more. There are already restaurants. This is one of the Hotel Paradiso, I think. Yo, what's up? Hello. Yo. That's the typical Kuta vibe. Kuta vibe.
So I think this is what makes people, likes Kuta, because of the people here are happier, right?
Yeah, even security guides are very nice here. So it's cool. Yeah, like I mentioned, Kuta Paradiso Hotel here, 5 bintangs, which is
It was
stars.
so, dead during a pandemic, and when we walk here, it's just like a ghosty hotel. But surprisingly, the hotel opens again.
Not bad.
That's why the security guy so happy.
So happy to see.
And look at
here we
this
go.
one.
And then we have a big restaurants with seafood, like this one. We're gonna show you. I think I will just hold my camera without editing. Just wanna show you how does it look like. Characteristic lobster here, crab, lobster, and other one here with the seafood, like this one. Also very nice indeed, fresh fishes, and that's the Chinese actually cuisine, Chinese seafood. Garupa, 40k only. What is this fish? I don't know. Looks funny.
Marokuban fish.
Caval, lobsters, and a fresh lobster, 223,000, stuff like this one. Lovely lady, hello, hi, nice, hello. So happy days, also open and also quite busy. Also on the Bluefin on the other side of the street, on this one. Okay, let's go more. There's another sports bar there, so you can find like this one. To be honest, very happy to see Kuta vibes, especially this part of the Kuta, so vibrant. Yeah, it's pretty vibrant, especially to compare to the past 2-3 years. Not bad at all, not bad. Also, they have an Indian corner here if you would like to have some tandoori or naan cheese. And there is another sports bar actually at the front, and little market here. All of this were closed, like 100% closed during the pandemic. You must remember some of my older videos, especially if you are watching me since the beginning. And yeah, stadium here, cafe, sports bar is open. They're also watching something. Not bad. Very happy to see that. Not super crowded, not overcrowded, but crowd is moderate. It's actually very enjoyable to be right now, having few beers, watching your favorite sports. Weather is already hot, but it's okay, not bad. And yeah, that's basically how does it look like. This is the corner already of Kuta Square, basically. Also flipjacks. Yeah, I'm gonna show you also all the people coming from the opposite, the sunset sky. Not bad at all. Yo, what's up? And also the guy trying to sell you something. The wooden thingies like this one. He can print your name, I believe. What is the hotel at the front saying? I'm forgetting the name always.
Oh, that's Hotel Ramayana.
Oh, Ramayana Hotel. Also, and the horse guy is there. So that's the Ramayana. And then there is the newest art market in Kuta by night. Usually I film here at morning, but it's actually cool to show you at night. Why not? Beautiful statues. Wow, so cool, beautiful.
Look at the traffic today.
Look at the traffic situation. Check this out. This guy going here and there and this and like that. Crazy. So that's the already sign as the Kuta is back, at least during the holidays, like this one. Not bad. I mean, not bad. I think it's not bad. What will be the Kuta and coming to Bali if you are not stuck in the traffic? That will be like something not right? You're coming to holidays to Bali and you're not gonna stuck in the traffic, at least little bit.
Seriously, Kuta is like this today?
Not bad, huh?
One thing is about, you see the cars is coming from the different registration plate. It's not coming from Bali.
Yeah,
Mostly.
Thank you.
So,
This guy tried to sell me something, but lucky it was dark because it's not suitable. Okay, as we are already here, we're gonna show you a little bit of the Kuta Square. Yes, let's show Kuta Square. I'm sorry, I'm filming already for 5 minutes without even cutting the scene, so it's a little bit like a live stream style. But this is the best to show you how it really is here in Kuta right now. I mean, it's wild. I mean, with the special traffic situation and all of this, not bad. I don't see, like, you know, maybe not many people walking, and still some businesses here are not open, but the traffic situation, crazy. Hey, McDonald's over there, and yeah, that's how it looks like in general. We decide to cross the street and go to Macca's. We're going to Macca's not for eating, but for having some strawberry sundae perhaps. Ice cream's always good, but you see, everybody go to beach walk, nobody going from Kuta actually, so it's like this one, yeah?
Maca time.
Macca's time. All right, I'm gonna show you how it looks, the Macca's, and what's the current prices, just in case if you would like to, you can have a sundae for 15,000. Like this one. Okay, cool.
All right, this is my ice cream, and Damian got ice cream as well.
Yeah, I have strawberry Kit Kat or something like that. Very nice. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit how does it look like Friday afternoon in Kuta during the holidays in Indonesia. Thanks so much. As always, see you tomorrow. See ya. Cheers. By the way, very nice ice cream in Macca's.